Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to create call link for group chats on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone and make sure your WhatsApp up to date. Open any conversation, you can open group chat or individual chat conversation. Now, to create call link on WhatsApp, tap attach icon beside text box. Here you will see the new option call link. Tap call link. This allows users to create a call link directly from a group chat. WhatsApp call link make it easier for group members to start a call without ringing everyone in the group. Tap send link to group. Group members can tap join call, then tap join button to join the call. So these are the steps to create call link for group chats on WhatsApp. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.